Hello friends, I used ChatGPT and got a ready-made Power Query code that you and I both can use with just two small tweaks. Let's understand the problem statement. I have two Excel files Q1 and Q2. In Q1, I have three sheets Jan, Feb, March which I want to combine into one. I have summary and working also which I don't want. And if you see my Q2 data, I have April, May and June which I want to combine along with Jan, Feb, March, and I have a resources extra sheet which I don't want. Let's check how to do with that one code in Power Query. I'll open a new file, data, get data, from file, from folder. A Power Query pop-up will open. I'll click on transform data. I'll click on these two down arrows. I'll select any one file and I'll click OK. You will see a Power Query is throwing me an error. It just gave me Q1 data and that too only for Feb, and also the error for Q2. How to solve it? Very easy. Click on the transform sample file, remove the promoted headers, delete the navigations, click on source, click on advanced editor. In advanced editor, remove all and copy this code. In this, you will change only two things. One is the excluded list. If you remember, I had a summary sheet which I don't want, and summary S was capital, so I'll just make it S summary. And then I had a working sheet. I can write working. And then I had in another Q2 resources, resources resources, and you can just keep extending it. Suppose if you in your file you have other sheets like data, you can write data in inverted commas like this. And the second change you will do is you will straight away come down. I don't want my headers to be repeated for every file. Okay, so I just want the top header and then all my data. So here I will come and the first column name of my header was date. So I'll just remove this airline and write it as date. And here also I'll remove this airline and write it as date. That's it. Only two changes. One is at the down and another one in your excluded list. If you have any excluded files you don't want to include, and then you will say done. And now you will click on the month file and you will see you got all your data Q1 and Q2. Then file, close and load, and you will get all your data in Excel file. Now the good part is anything you update in your monthly file, which is the folder. Suppose if I here enter Q3 and Q4 and I have my other sheets which I want to include and the few sheets which I don't want to include, I can just go to the code and do those two changes. If you like this, please do share and subscribe.